There are two sides to every story. And over 13 days, jurors have heard Johnny Depp's accounts of his turbulent 15-month marriage with Amber Heard.
And what did you say in response when Miss Heard said, "Tell the world I, Johnny Depp, a man, I'm a victim too of domestic violence"?
I said yes, I am.
But today,
I do.
Amber Heard was given her moment.
I am here because my ex-husband is suing me for an op-ed I wrote.
Even though Depp was not named, he's suing Heard for $50 million, saying she defamed him when she claimed she was a victim of domestic abuse. Heard has filed a $100 million US countersuit for being called a liar.
This is the most painful and difficult thing I've ever gone through, for sure.
She detailed their whirlwind romance.
I felt like this man knew me and saw me in a way that no one else had.
And how it quickly deteriorated after the first time Depp allegedly hit her when she laughed at one of his tattoos.
Slapped me across the face. He said, "You think it's so funny? You think it's funny, bitch? You think you're a funny bitch?" And he slapped me again. I didn't want to leave him. I didn't want this to be the reality. I didn't want to have the man I was in love with. I know you don't come back from that.
From there, Heard alleges the abuse intensified, detailing the moment Depp allegedly sexually assaulted her after he thought she'd hid his cocaine.
Just stood there staring at the stupid light. I didn't know what to, I didn't know what to do. I just stood there.
A psychologist hired by Heard's team acknowledged that at times she was physically violent against Depp.
I did not hurt you. I did not punch you. I was hitting you. That's the difference between me and you. You're a baby.
Because you started.
You are such a baby. Grow the up, Johnny.
Physical fights?
I did start a physical fight.
But she said it paled in comparison to the violence Heard was subjected to.
The incidents in Australia and the sexual violence and the incidents on December 15th, 2015 were quite severe.
Johnny Depp has testified he never struck Heard, saying his ex-wife had a
Need for conflict.
With at least a month left until the trial ends, Amber's side of the story has only just begun.
Wow. Obviously that's, really hard to watch, really hard to listen to. But one of the things that really strikes me about these kinds of trials and the way they play out in the States is that, this is not a criminal trial, right?
Yeah.
This is a defamation case. This is a civil suit. It's not like someone's on trial and might end up going to jail. This is a suit about money, and it feels like such a strange arena to be talking about physical violence in.
Because it's really a suit about reputation, isn't it?
Yeah.
And so the rehabilitation of it, and I guess that's what you have to do then if you want to have that fight is agitate it in this way.
Yeah, exactly.
And I personally, I don't know how you guys feel, but I personally feel voyeuristic. I feel like
it's odd to
this
be
is not...
to be getting this view, right? Like you feel weird watching what plays out because it is done so differently here.
You wouldn't have that situation in Australia.
No.
It would be very different. If you find yourself in need, by the way, National 24-hour counselling helpline and support is available. The number is 1800-RESPECT, so that's 1800 737 732.